You're done with the paperwork? Okay then, as soon as I get to the office, I'll make the transfer. Alright. Please, I don't want any complications. Do a thorough job. Okay, thank you. Jojo! 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 Please open the gate.
Okay, now! To the max you rend on the surface of the earth, I will return you to dust where you came from. Oh, no! No! Hey! Oh, no, you get out! Leave the way!
I will not let you hurt my husband.
Leave this place, Mom! Get out! Leave this place! Oh! The great lioness! I want you to lead the way! Get out! Okay, now you must die! 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 No! 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 No!
Babe, are you okay? Jojo! Sir! Babe. Jojo, come! Come here, sir! Come help me put her in the car!
Sir, I'm innocent, sir! I'm innocent, sir!
Jojo! Sir! Stop it! Will you come and give me a hand? Jojo! Gently! Open the gate! Open the gate!
Stand up. Stand, the great lioness. Stand up! Mother.
Mother.
Yeah. I can't stand. Your sister broke my spine. I wonder why she did this to her own mother. She betrayed me.
Barbara! I will kill her. Barbara, I will kill you with my bare hands. I will sink my hands into your stomach and pull out that child. Barbara, no! I shall drink your blood. Barbara, I will drink your blood. This is the handwork of my sister, my elder sister Barbara. She slapped my mother, our mother, in the face. Chief Doko, you're the lion. We know you too well. We know your powers. You had never declined or shown no interest in helping my mother. This is Lion's war. You must come in, because my mother will not remain crippled for the rest of her life. Please.
Your mother is very, very stubborn. When a lioness dissociates from the pride, she must be very, very strong to face the hyenas. She must be very strong to face the other beasts in the jungle. Do you want to kill your own blood?
But she almost killed us today. She almost killed her own mother. I mean, who does that?
No. That was not what happened. I saw everything before you arrived. You, the lioness, paid her unwanted visit to her home. A mother should not be happy to see her daughter becoming a widow. No way. So go to her. Tell her that her bitterness is eating her up. She must learn to forget. She must learn to forgive.
What about the 9 code? Lioness, don't forgive. Lions eat up lions.
When you eat up your own sister in anger, what happens when the outside enemies gang up with their own sisters to fight you? I'm sure that's when you know that pain is real. Regret is real. Your mother will be on a wheelchair for a long time.
Now I gladly usher you, my children, Cora and Barbara, into this great lioness confraternity. I welcome your spirit, your soul, and body into this kingdom. Stretch forth your fingers. You may rise. Barbara.
Mom?
You are indeed gifted with a strong spirit. But listen, I do not want you to abuse it. Do not go looking for trouble in school. Please, it's not necessary. And remember to protect your sister at all costs. The lioness walk together.
Yes, Mom.
On no account will you be unnecessarily angry. Because if you do, you might harm somebody. And the person might not be able to recover from it. It won't be nice. So I want you to be wise.
Okay. What about me, Mom?
Your anger is unquenchable. You are just like me. I am super proud of you. Because you are. Mommy's pride. Both of you are my pride. But there is something about you. You look like me. Because I hardly forgive. I don't forgive easily. But listen, because you have a great power, doesn't mean you should go looking for trouble like I told your sister. Be as wise as serpent and as clever as dove. Don't look for trouble. Don't go boasting. Always be calm and work together wisely.
Okay, yes, Mom.
As I talk to you now, she there inside house. She don't scatter everywhere. She just there inside. They scatter everywhere. They shout. Oga, myself no fear enter that house. In fact, Oga, as a matter of fact, Oga, I don't tire. I don't want to walk again. I don't tire, sir. Oga, I don't want to walk again, Oga. Which kind of problem with this? How I go to carry cross off with no? My hand they clean. Nothing concern me. Better say I go back to village with my life than to die for city for another man's sin. Which kind of rubbish?
Come out so I can devour you! You can't withstand me!
Oh boy, move this car now! Hello, doctor. More blood? Okay. I'm on my way now, please. All right. Joe!
Oga, open the gate. Oga, I beg, I want to tell you.
Open the gate!
Oga, wait, I want to tell you something, Oga, I want to resign, I beg. Give me my small salary, make I go. No, leave me my mama born. I don't want to follow you fight your family war. I don't want to follow you, Oga.
I will out of your name! Open the gate, my friend! Oga, wait! Open it! Oga, wait!
I went to see him.
No, you shouldn't have gone there. He is an enemy. He takes sides with your sister.
Well, he has the powers to make you stand up. He is a descendant from pride.
I'll get up.
Then why don't you get up? Get up! Hey!
You do not have the right to yell at your mom. Stop!
Well, don't look at me like I'm going to forgive her, because I'm not going to forgive her.
Her husband is the target here because he cost everything.
I do not care. I do not care. I will do everything possible to devour them, including her unborn child. I will eat them one after the other. I mean every word I just said.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. As a lion's roar, so no one's backing down. It is a dark war, principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war, principalities and powers on the rampage. Who is gonna waste this fire? It's happening. The fire of rage is burning. It's a challenge of powers. Principalities and powers at war. It's a challenge of
Jojo! That's my gate open. Jojo! 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 Didn't you hear me? Jojo is gone. Jojo is gone, truly.
Spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. It's a lion's war, so no one's backing down.
Mom, please call me when you're done. Just go. I'll be waiting.
Why, Barbara? Why, Barbara? No, you didn't do well, no. Why? Come with me, angels. Come.
Mom! I knew you were up for something.
I love the look in your faces already.
Okay, Mom, please don't be mischievous. Just tell me which is mine.
This is yours, my angel.
Yes!
And that one is yours, my sweetheart.
Oh my God! I love you, mommy.
I love you.
She's beautiful. Mom,
You to just make me for making me proud. Serving your country diligently.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
I am proud of you.
Mom, I can't wait to cruise around town. Seriously.
I know.
You know what I can do?
Mommy's look alive. What is it, darling? Are you okay? Hold on. Why is your cheek fat?
Barbara. Barbara, are you okay? Barbara, are you okay? Mom! Barbara!
Now what's going on here? Hold on. What's the meaning of this?
Mom, I think she's stressed out or something.
Yeah, I've just been feeling a little bit sick since yesterday.
Now look at me. Open your eyes.
What? Mom.
Are you kidding me or what?
Mom.
Come on, follow me. Have you lost your mind? Now come with me. You didn't allow it happen during your secondary school time. You didn't allow it to happen during your university era. What has come over you? And you're supposed to serve your country diligently and come out holding your heads high. Oh no! You were busy doing some other thing and it was time for me to hand over everything to you. My company, all my business empires. No, look at you. And there you are, becoming a bunch of disappointment to me. Hayes! Mother, what till I'm done? Now take a look at your sister. Is she not supposed to serve our country? No! She went there and was busy servicing a man, throwing her legs wide open for a man. Oh, just shut it! What has come over you? One more word from you, I will waste your life. And I don't care if you slept in this womb.
I'm sorry, but this is getting really serious.
Hold on. Are you also pregnant?
What? No, I'm not.
Then keep quiet till I'm done with her. Hey, I give you just 24 hours to present the big animal who climbed you in my jungle. Else, you will be sorry with what I will do to you and that thing sitting in your womb. Idiot.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. It's a lion's war, so no one's backing down. It is a dark war, principalities and powers. It is a dark war, principalities and powers.
Yes, sir. You have to send the documents via my email. I'll go through them once they're settled. Okay? And please don't forget to meet with the Japanese guys, because they are expecting you today. Alright then. Speak to you later. Where is the man?
Mom, he's no longer in the community. He's traveled.
Alright, let me have his contact.
I don't have his contact. The thing is, he didn't. When I met him, he wasn't with phone.
Did you hear your sister? She's dating a classless man. A pauper. This is preposterous. Hold on. My aesthetic daughter like this, you are dating a lizard of a man. And nobody, a gutter boyfriend. You disappoint me big time, girl. Alright. Now, drive behind us. We have to go to the hospital now. You're getting rid of that thing in your womb.
Mom, I cannot abort my baby. I won't do it.
Hold on. I need you to repeat that thing you said one more time.
Mom.
I beg. I can't believe this. This is unbelievable.
Mom.
What are you doing?
Mom, you need to go to bed. It's already morning. Please.
I remember telling you to let me be. I want to be left alone.
Mom, I understand your pains very well. I remember when you told me I am just like you. Barbara has traded love and marriage over her own family. Mom, she knows exactly what she is doing. And she's out for anything. She's out to kill. But you know what? Barbara and her husband will pay dearly with their lives. Just allow me to do it my own way. And I promise you, Mother, you will not regret this. And I know you are going to stand up on your feet. I know that.
I still can't believe my own daughter did this to me. Just because of a man. Destroyed her mom's life. All because of a man. No, she didn't do well. She did not. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this.
Mom, you just have to calm down.
Just let me be.
Let's go to bed, please. Please.
I said let me be for now.
What's going on? What?
She came to attack me.
Are you not tired? Are you not tired? What are you doing here? My wife just put to bed and you came to kill her?
Yes! I will kill you! Kill your wife and kill your baby!
Babe, let her be. I can handle this.
I will kill this girl now.
Babe, relax. You cannot kill my husband. They can't kill you, you know that. He is a descendant of a lion. He's a lion. You can't kill him.
Of course you made him a lion and he's a walking corpse. You crippled our mother and I swear that I will kill you!
Cora, you were such a lovely girl, but now you're taking it too far. One day you find someone who will love you. Leave this place now, else I will destroy you.
You cannot do anything. You're a walking corpse and I'm going to
Don't you dare talk to my husband like that!
I will destroy you!
Cora,
Silly!
the next time you invade my home, you will not have it this easy.
I swear to God, the next time your sister comes here, I will kill her. I'm not your blood, oh. Tell her.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion.
Yeah, the self.
Mama.
Hey, why?
Mama, your son Okenna.
Man,
Your son Okenna is a ritualist.
huh? Hey!
Mama, your son Okenna belongs to a strong cultist in the city.
Okay, now, ma'am.
Yes.
A ritualist.
Mama.
Hey! So, Okenna went to the city to join secret court, eh?
And if you see the way witches were flying in that house yesterday, I am even wondering, Mama, who is their tailor? Who is sewing clothes for those witches? Because I am sure that all of them is wearing more than 4 years.
Hey.
Who is their tailor? That is the painful part of it. Who is sewing clothes for witches? Mama, if you see the way they are flying, as if it's government that is sponsoring them.
Ha! Joseph, tell me you are joking. Mama,
I can't be joking now. If I'm joking, I'll be in the zoo with animals. What I'm telling you, Mama, is reality. It's not reality. Mama, what now they tell you now? Reality. Your son, Okenna, Japan, is a ritualist. Mama, for your information, let me advise you. Don't think of going for Omogo. Don't think of going for Omogo. Mama, they will sacrifice you.
I'm not going anywhere.
One step, you are sacrificed. Mama, don't even dream of going for Omogo. Mama, I came back to this village with my head because of the oil I have. I'm a very strong man. They can't use me. They struggled, they tried. Mama, but I overcome. I overcome.
Okenna, you see me. I will not come to your house. Neither will I eat your money.
Mama, don't eat, don't go. Don't eat, don't go. What? Mama, if you want to be alive and see your children's children, that Omugo. No. Forget about it. Mama? Mama, this fufu, is this all you have?
Oh, Chekwelo. So, you came here to eat food, eh?
Food,
Mama. So you bagu way them.
No, I came to give you information. So, I'm asking, is this all you have?
You are saying all these things because of food. Eh? Mama,
your son is still owing me salary.
Let
me take it from Mama, let me take my salary from the food now. Mama, wait now.
Come on, remove your hand.
Mama, your son is owing me. He's owing me salary. Come, let me collect it from food. Let me collect it from food now. Your son is owing me salary.
You, Joel, Joseph, stop there! Stand there, wait there! Where are you going?
Papa Christy, what is the color of your problem?
The color of my problem. The color of my problem is red. Danger. What is it I'm hearing about you? That you went about telling people that your boss is a ritualist. That you even escaped from Lagos because he wants to use you for money rituals. That's why you ran down here. Don't you see that you are mad saying all this about my nephew, my own nephew? You must be mad.
Hey, Papa Christy, if not for the respect I have for the elders that will soon join the ancestors, I would have said that you are a madman. In fact, you are a madman and you will not do anything. You will not do anything. You are a madman.
Moi?
Yes.
Boiche.
You heard me?
Mbakwe.
Yes.
Moi?
You are a madman. Rest of power too. Yes.
Let me put it to you that me, I'm not a madman. But you are a very maddest man. I was the one that told Okenna to employ you as his get man in Lagos because you have refused to be useful to yourself in the village here. Now you went to the city and still you are not useful to yourself. You escaped, you came down here and you are telling people all sorts of things about your boss. My nephew, don't you see that you are a chronic mad man?
I am only useless because I am not in your nephew's coven vomiting money. I would have been useful. But I'm only useless in the village now. But I accept to be useless in the village than to be useful in the coven. Yes!
You are not even useful. You are not money ritual. You can't vomit money. Everything about you is useless.
So I said it. I said it the way you were changing walking stick. This week you use red, the other week you use brown, the other week you use black. I know that something is fishing. You took me to the city to use me as money ritual. You are your nephew. Yeah.
You must be stupid. You are a fool, monkey, nincompoop, ragamuffin, ragasta, lakosha. Fuck off! First, shut up your mouth there.
If you insult me one more time here, you know you are one leg close to your grave. You are one leg close to your grave. If you insult me here now, what I will do to you, you hate yourself. If you talk to me anyhow one more time now, you are one step to your grave.
Me?
You are one step to your grave. Oh.
Me?
I will send you.
Me?
You are one step to your grave. Oh.
Me?
You are one step to your grave.
I
will send you to grave.
You want me to kill you?
I will send you to grave.
You want me to kill you?
I will send you to kill you.
Okenna.
Mama.
So you have vowed that you will not leave this your painting and drawing business and go to the city like other men and hustle.
Mama, is this why you called me out? I've told you I don't want to discuss this. This is not an issue I want to always discuss every day. Now.
Hey. For the past 3 months, no one has even asked you how much is the portrait or how beautiful they are. Since you graduated from school, you refuse to go to the city and look for a good job. You refuse to go and hustle like other men. Just drawing cats, animals, human beings, trees and painting them. Just like your late father did. Do you want to continue from where he stopped?
You cannot kill my spirit, Mama. I am an artist and I'm a very good one at that. I will continue to paint and sell. In fact, I'm going to take my portraits out there on the road to sell today. If nobody buys it, I will bring them back home. Echikwa, tomorrow, I will take them out again.
Hey!
You cannot discourage me no matter what you said. Okay?
Hey!
No matter what you say today, you cannot stop me. Let me go and take my paintings and go and sell. Hapumaka.
Okay, now because you should change this your business. Look at you, moving like a lion. painting and drawing. No food, no good job, nothing. It's your cantona fucking na. Hey!
What do I do? Oh God, oh God, oh God. Ooh. Oh, good day, sir.
Papa,
Sir.
it's like your car has issues.
Yes, I was going to my CDS, at the local government, and all of a sudden the car just stopped me here, and I don't know what to do. Do you by chance know any mechanic I could just get to fix it?
There's a mechanic workshop around, but it's around that local government where you said you are going, and it's far.
Oh my God.
Do you mind if I take a look at the car?
Oh, please, thank you. Feel
Okay,
free.
all
Thank
right.
you so much.
No
Thank
problem,
you.
eh?
Thank you.
Madam, here is okay, Papa.
Oh, really?
Yes, fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I truly appreciate it. I see you're an artist.
Oh, yes, I am.
Can you draw me?
Very well now. That's my work. Yes.
Okay, let me have your contact so I can at least forward.
I lost my phone yesterday. I don't have a phone now at the moment. But what will happen is this. My house is not far from here. You see that road we just left?
Yes.
By the huge orange tree.
Yes.
Yes, that's my house. When you go there, ask of the Okoyes.
Okay.
Yes, when you get to the Okoyes, ask of Mama okay.
Okay.
I am okay now or okay.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
I will, by weekend, I'll come.
Please
I'm
come
sorry
home.
about your phone.
Oh, no, don't worry. It's fine.
All right.
I'm glad I could be of help.
Thank you so much.
All
You really
right.
saved me a lot of
Thank you so
trouble.
much. Wait, let me take my...
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Okay, are you almost done?
Yes, almost done.
Can I take a peek?
No, nothing is done.
Let me see what you're doing.
No, now. What's the point? Seeing what you will still see.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, let me do all the finishing.
Hope you highlighted my eyes.
Obviously.
Okay, now. I am done cooking.
Okay, Mama.
Let me go to Mama Ekene's house.
Okay.
She wants to show me so many things her son sent for her from Lagos.
Okay, Mama, no problem.
Oh, you got that answer, dear. Man, Torika, Mabada.
Let
me go.
All right, Mama.
Well done.
Thank you,
Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Sorry. Yeah, that way, yeah. Okay. Jawline.
Almost done?
Yes, almost done.
Please let me just take a peek. No! In case I need to help you correct it or something.
Don't worry. I'm looking at you and I'm looking at the portrait. Okay. We are almost perfect. Madam, look at this one. Look at the color selection now. I have beautiful portraits here. Look at it. See the other one.
My goodness. Let me see yours.
See African maiden.
Are you kidding me? These portraits are lovely.
Thank you.
How much, please?
This one is 25,000. This one is 50,000 naira, madam.
25 and 50.
Yes, madam.
I want 2 of them.
You want 2 of them?
Yes,
Okay.
which means I'm giving you 75,000.
Yes, madam, 75,000.
Hold on. Can you make a portrait of me?
That's my job. I'm an artist. I can do it, ma.
For real?
Yes, madam.
That's amazing. Put them in the car.
Okay, madam.
Put them in the car.
He told me someone invited him to town for a business and he left earlier this morning.
It's okay, Mama. Has he gotten a new phone?
No. He told me you paid him hugely for the work he did for you.
Come on, that's nothing.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine.
Why don't you sit down? Let me warm the meal for you so that you eat before going.
No, Mama. You know what? Let's keep it till next time. I promise I'll eat a meal next time I get here.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's a promise.
Okay.
I'll be on my way now.
It's all right. I'll give him your message.
Thank you, Mama.
Hi.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye, Mama.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Ma.
Hi. Malichangwa. Hi.
I like you.
You like me or you want me as a sex toy? Listen, you don't just see people one day and then want them in your bed the next day. I feel used. No, this is not a smiling matter. What's funny?
Yes. I enjoyed the sex. Well, my dear, there is something inside of you. You can't be trapped.
I don't understand. What is that? What are you talking about? Listen, ma, I don't know you. I don't know who you are. We only just met once. And I'm not going to get involved in any occultic thing or ritual.
You have to meet me today and satisfy my need.
What?
I am assuring you, you will not just draw people, but you will draw money. I mean, you will pull money to your end. What if I send you to Japan?
Madam, what are you talking about? You don't even know who I am. We only just met and the next thing you're planning to send me to Japan. Is that how people do things?
Leave that to me. I don't need to know your modern deeds. Just go, think about it, come back tomorrow.
To Japan. Can this be real? Is it that God wants to make me wealthy through this means? But how can somebody just meet you today and the next day they want to fly you to Asia? Papa. Papa.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Good day.
Good day. How are you?
I'm okay. I was here earlier.
Oh, really?
Where's your mother?
She went to the market. She sells Ogo at the market.
Oh, that's true. You told me.
Remember I told you.
Yes, you did tell me. That's fine. Do you have a room?
Huh? Sorry, is there a problem?
No, it's just that I'm a bit tired and I would like to lay my head. You have a bed, right?
Of course I do.
So, shall we?
Okay. Why not? You're welcome.
Thank you.
You've made up your mind, right?
Yes. What job do you have for me in Japan?
Gosh, I love this man. Okay. I would want you to provide me with some of your traveling documents, okay? So I can facilitate, everything for you to travel to Japan. And when you go, I will be expecting you, let's say, in 2, 3 to 4 months.
Thank you so much, ma. I will make them available. Thank you, ma.
Cut down the man, please.
Okay. Thank you, lady. Thank you, Lady Gold.
You mentioned to me that he'll be traveling.
He only told me that he'll be back in 3 months' time.
Did he tell you? Did he tell you where he'll be traveling to?
My daughter, I don't even care to know where he has gone to. All I ever wanted from him is to get out of this town for good.
Mama, did he later get the new phone?
No, I didn't see him with any phone.
How then will he communicate with you?
Hey, he promised to call me. I believe him, though he hasn't called, but he will call me. He will. I trust my son.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I'll just...
Please. Are you his girlfriend? Because he has not introduced any woman to me as his girlfriend.
We're friends.
Yes, you're friends.
Mama, I've been here for a while. I checked around and it seems like no one is in. Do you have an idea?
Yes, Mama traveled. She went for Mugo. Her only daughter put to bed.
Wow. That's okay. How about Okena? Have you seen him?
No. For the past 3 months, I haven't set my eyes on him. But rumor had it that he went to Japan.
Japan?
Yeah. But I'm not sure like that though. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's fine. Can you at least give me Mama's phone number or any person I can speak with, at least to know what to do next, please?
Mama, I'm not with Mama's number. Why will I be with her number? Mama, I don't see if I can take her number now. Only Mama. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Japan.
Thank you, Lady Gold.
You're welcome.
Without you, I wouldn't have been who I am today. Thank you.
Listen, I am proud of you. Super proud of you. Now look at what you've made for yourself. The house, the cats. Just take a look at your office. You are indeed a strong man. I am proud of you.
Thank you very much.
You were never greedy.
Yes, Lady Gold. I'm a lion. I'm not greedy.
You were not at all. Believe me.
Thank you. Cheers once again.
Cheers, please. Well, I would like us to get married. You know, I've always loved you. Imagine you and I running this empire together. Strong man, filled with wisdom, and the lioness herself. Cheers, darling.
Cheers.
Hey! You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, just make yourself comfortable. I'll just call my mom. She already told us you were coming.
Oh, that's alright. Tell her around.
Oh, okay.
Hey!
Sir?
No, no. Please.
What? Okay now. You! How dare you? You got my daughter pregnant.
I didn't know.
You didn't know! Didn't you look at her face? Didn't you?
Mom, this is the father of my unborn child. You cannot hurt him. Please, for my sake. I am begging you, please.
I shouldn't harm him. Did you not know that this person here belongs to me? I made you who you are. I brought you out of poverty. And you became like this. So this is how to pay me back.
Mom, I will not let you hurt him.
Of course you will pay with your life. I mean every word.
I will not let you hurt
Baba,
him.
can you just allow Mom to explain?
Hey! Did you say you will not allow me hurt him?
Mom, don't. Mom, don't.
Never!
Stay back. Do not let me hurt you. Papa, you have to stay away from this. You hurt my mother, right? Okay. Barbara, you have to be safe because he hurt our mother.
I will never do this. I will never.
No, it's okay.
I will never.
No,
No, you will not understand. He means the whole world to me.
I thought I just...
relax.
You would have thought she would... Good, see, wait.
Oh, wait.
Mom!
How can she believe a thing like that I'm a cultist? Jojo will come to my Yagana village and tell you that I'm a cultist and you will believe it. Who does that kind of a thing? Do you know what I've seen in this life? Do you know what I went through in Japan, the hurdles I crossed? And you're now telling me that...
I'm coming back. I will clear my name, uncle. I am coming back to that village. Don't worry. All right. Bye-bye.
Honey, you don't have to overexert yourself. I understand the need for you to clear your name, but it's not enough to get you worked up, please.
I'm fine. I just want to clear my name. I'm fine.
Understandably. Anyway, the baby is crying. Let me go breastfeed him.
Please.
Your baby is killing me slowly.
Please. Feed him well.